Okay guys, we are continuing with Cloudways series tutorials, and as always you will find coupon codes, discounts in this video description below this video. So use my code and get better price than if you book directly with Cloudways. Okay, so the next thing about what we should talk is how to create, update and delete project. So projects are logical groups of servers and apps that somehow related through campaigns, department, geographical locations, and income. So if you would like to organize your account, and if in case if you have many servers and applications, this should help you with creating new project. Okay, so how to create new project? Step 1: go to your account, login, and once you have login, you need to find projects here and click on simply add project, give name to this project, and on new interface it should look like this. So navigation will be in this place. So click on projects, click on add project and provide name, easy as possible. Okay, so next step, provide name as I said, and in case usually by default it will be displayed as new campaign, but you can provide any different name for this. A new interface looks like this as well once you create project. If you have already running your apps on your Cloudways account, you can select what apps you should add to this project. So you can link your existing apps to this project. Okay, in case if you would like to delete it, if something wrong or you have completed project and you would like to delete it looks like this. So select campaign that you would like to delete, and once you will select it, open it, there will be option to delete it as easy as possible. As you can see on new interface, if you click this, so here's your project. Here are 3 dots, click on it and click on delete project, so a little bit different. So this is how it looks like. If you have any questions, please ask under this video, so we can add more to Cloudways website in our tutorial section. So guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to use my code in order to get additional discount for Cloudways hosting.